Hi guys, welcome to Team TechDom. In this video, we're going to look at how to remove duplicate values from your dataset. Now, what are duplicate values? So duplicate values are those values that are repeated severally in your dataset, like you have the same record, and it can really affect your analysis or your machine learning model, which is why one of the steps in data cleaning is to check for duplicate data and remove these duplicate values. For instance, in this dataset, you will notice these values, the first and second row, that they are duplicate values. Let's assume this is a sales dataset, although this is an insurance dataset, and you want to find out the total amount of money you've made during that month, in a particular month. Once you do your analysis, you calculate the total sum, find out that the money that you have is going to be a little bit higher than usual, and you will end up thinking you've made a lot of gain, a lot of profit that month, but you won't realize that there are some duplicate values in your data set. So these duplicate values can lead to misleading information, and it's important you deal with missing values. For instance, in this case, you can see we have the charges, duplicate values of the charges. Also in this part, this record is duplicated, and so this can mess up with our analysis. It's really important to remove that. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of duplicate values in Pandas. Right, so the first step is to import Pandas in Python, and then I'm going to load the dataset. Okay, I'm done running this cell. You can run this cell by either selecting it and clicking run, or you just push and enter on your keyboard. If you have a small data set like this, you may be able to find the duplicate values easily, but when you're working with large amounts of data, you may not. So this is where Pandas functions will come in handy. So we want to check for duplicate values. You call on df and use the method duplicated. So this will show us where there are duplicate values. In this last part, you can see it's true, meaning there are duplicate values here. If you want to know the total number of duplicate values that are in your data set, then you can use the sum function, just sum up everything. So I'm going to copy this line of code and paste here. And then just use the sum function and run this. Right, now we can see that there are 5 duplicate data in this data set. The next step is to get rid of them, and to do that we use the drop duplicates method. And I'm going to set a parameter here that's in place to true. This just means remove the duplicate values from the original data set. Don't create a copy of the original data set where the duplicate has been removed, but the original data set still has that duplicate value. Just remove it directly, make modifications to the original data set. And so I'm going to run this, and it's done. So for a quick sanity check to be sure we don't have duplicate values, I'm going to check the total number of duplicate values here and running this. Right now, at this point, we have 0, meaning we've successfully removed all the duplicate values in this data set. And from here, we can proceed on to carry out our analysis. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to see more content like this. See you when I see you.